create a Python program which can solve the AES decryption challenge, we can follow below step. First, we need to identify what library we need. If you search, right, you can find that this is the library. The crypto cipher can be used to help you solve the AES encryption and decryption. If we search, right, we can find here. You can see it can help the crypto cipher, right? Can help you do the AES encryption and decryption. Okay. Then we need to identify what function we need. So we go to the detailed documents, right? We can search the AES to find the AES library. In this library, right, it will give you the example how to encrypt a message with AES and decrypt the message. Okay, so very simple. You can see that in the example it uses decrypt. Okay, now we got the function we need. We can create the Python program. Okay, so in this example, for example, we want to import the library first. If we import the library, here we follow the example shown in the web, right? You can see it shows you don't have the library. Now we will show you if you want to install the library. You can use, as you can see, the library belongs to PyCrypto DOM. Then, if you don't have the library in your machine, right, you can use pipe to install the library. After that, you can see you can install the library and use the library normally. Okay. So if you meet the problem which shows that no module name something, right, you search the module first, then find what's the library of the module, then use pipe to install the library. Okay, after we finish install the library, we can follow the example here, right, to decrypt. In the question, right, it gives the key, the cipher, and the nonce. Okay, now let's create our program. Here is our program, very simple, right? We import the AES, then we create a new AES object, then pass in the key in it. Okay, so let's go to the decrypt. Okay, we follow this example. Okay, then we pass in the cipher into the decrypt function, then get the return value. The return value will be the plaintext. Okay, after finish this, we run the program. Okay, you can see we get the plaintext. The plaintext is I like play CTF. Now you create your AES decryption program to solve the challenge.